In this question, you have to choose the option that includes the correct set of statements regarding the members of Phaeophyceae. Statement A: asexual reproduction occurs usually by biflagellate zoospores. Now, this is true because Phaeophyceae reproduce asexually through biflagellate zoospores having two unequal flagella. B: sexual reproduction is by oogamous method only. Now, this is false because sexual reproduction in Phaeophyceae can be isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous. Statement C: stored food is in the form of carbohydrates, which are either mannitol or laminarin. Now, this is also true because the primary storage forms in Phaeophyceae are mannitol, which is a sugar alcohol, and laminarin, which is a polysaccharide. D: the major pigments found are chlorophyll A, C, and carotenoids and xanthophyll. This is also true because Phaeophyceae contain chlorophyll A, C, and other pigments like fucoxanthin, which gives its characteristic brown color. E: vegetative cells have a cellulosic wall, usually covered on the outside by a gelatinous coating of algae. This is also true. The cell walls of these brown algae are made of cellulose and are covered with algin, which is a gelatinous polysaccharide. Hence, the correct statements are A, C, D, and E. Thus, the correct answer is option A.